Tesla was once a tiny Silicon Valley startup with big dreams to revolutionize the motor industry. Today, it's grown into the world's biggest producer of electric vehicles and a leader in sustainable technology.
Elon Musk purchased about $1 billion in Tesla stock on Friday.
Most people think Tesla just make electric cars, but what if I told you that Tesla's real innovation isn't what you see on the road, it's what's happening inside a 46mm cylinder that's about to change everything we know about manufacturing. In the next minutes, I'll reveal the 3 Tesla innovations that competitors are desperately trying to copy, and why one of them might be the most important manufacturing breakthrough since the assembly line. Here's what nobody tells you about Tesla's 4680 batteries. Everyone focuses on the size, but the real breakthrough is what's missing: tabs. Traditional batteries have metal tabs that carry electricity. Tesla eliminated them entirely. Without tabs, heat dissipates 60% faster, charging speeds increase dramatically, and here's the kicker: the battery becomes part of the car's skeleton. Tesla turned the heaviest part of an electric car into a structural component. It's like building a house where the foundation is also the power source. This reduces weight, increases rigidity, and cuts manufacturing costs by 14%. While competitors buy batteries from suppliers, Tesla manufactures these in-house, controlling everything from chemistry to production. And that leads us to something even more revolutionary. Tesla's gigafactories aren't just big buildings, they're a complete reimagining of manufacturing. But here's what most people miss: Tesla failed spectacularly at first. In 2018, Tesla's over-automation backfired so badly they assembled battery packs by hand in a tent. Most companies would have seen this as failure. Tesla saw it as data. Today, their Shanghai Gigafactory achieves 95% automation with a 40-second cycle time. But the real innovation is vertical integration. Tesla mines lithium, manufactures chips, writes software, and builds robots. When the 2021 semiconductor shortage hit, other automakers shut down. Tesla rewrote their software for different chips and kept building cars. While traditional automakers take 4 to 6 years to develop new models, Tesla iterates in months through over-the-air updates. Which brings us to their most underestimated innovation. Every Tesla is a smartphone on wheels, but here's the revolution: your car gets better after you buy it. Traditional cars depreciate immediately. Tesla vehicles gain new capabilities overnight: increased range, new features, improved autopilot, all delivered wirelessly while you sleep. But here's where it gets mind-bending: every Tesla collects data. Over 100 years of driving data every 10 minutes from 6 million vehicles. This feeds their custom AI chip and Dojo supercomputer. While competitors test autonomous driving with small fleets, Tesla has millions of cars learning simultaneously. It's like having a billion driving instructors teaching one AI student. However, this leads us to the uncomfortable truth: Tesla's innovations come with trade-offs. Their vision-only autonomous driving, no radar, no lidar, is bold but controversial. While Tesla reports impressive safety stats, autopilot has been involved in over 700 accidents. Consumer Reports ranked Tesla 27th out of 28 brands for reliability. The German TÜV found a 10.7% defect rate for the Model S. Tesla's greatest strength, moving fast and breaking things, is also its biggest weakness. So, what's the truth? Tesla isn't just building better cars, they're rebuilding what a car company can be. From structural batteries to neural networks, they've created a playbook every automaker is desperately copying. But the real competition isn't in showrooms, it's in software labs and battery factories. Let me know in the comments if you want to understand how Tesla's Dojo supercomputer is creating the future of AI. Subscribe for more tech documentaries that reveal the truth behind the innovations shaping our world.